It could be. Yeah, is this thing on? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put you up in the fire for a second song. Come on out.
There's only two types of people in the world. The ones that entertain and the ones that observe. Well, baby, I'm your kind of girl. I don't like the backseat, gotta be first. I'm like a ringleader. I call the shots, I'm like a firecracker. I make it happen when I put on a show. I feel the adrenaline moving through my veins. Spotlight on me and I'm ready to spray. I'm like a performer that is on the stage. Better be ready to put you to the same. All on my knees and I'm ready to like a circus. When I pull out what's there, I go just like a circus. Just stand watching me, follow me, show me what you can do. And when I go, you please dance for just like a circus. There's only two sets of guys. The ones that hang with me and the ones that are scared. Well, baby, I hope that you can prepare. I run a tight ship, so beware. I'm like a ringleader. I call the shots, I'm like a firecracker. I make it happen when I put on a show. I feel the adrenaline moving through my veins. Spotlight on me and I'm ready to break. I'm like a performer that lost my stage. Better be ready for the truth is the same. All of me is coloring just like a circus. And I don't know what's safe, I don't get just like a circus. And they're watching me, follow me, show me what you can do. And then I show you dance for just like a circus. Let's go. I run like children do. I run like this. Yeah. Like a what?